Health Minister Sapam Ranjan vowed strict action against government doctors found operating in private clinics or hospitals while in government service. The Health Minister stated this while attending the 13th Foundation Day celebration and oath-taking ceremony for first semester BSc nursing students at the College of Nursing, Imphal. Speaking further in the program, Minister Ranjan highlighted the role of healthcare workers while asserting that one nurse can save more than 100 lives. He urged the medical staff to spread awareness about health department schemes so that people can take benefits from these schemes. He also made assurance to appoint new regular health director and discuss with the government about merit-based admission policy for further studies based on NEET scores. Around 40 students from first semester took oath in the ceremony. College of Nursing Principal Dr. N. Surbala was also present during the ceremony.
BSc karigi nursing paramedics ki paikha tongana tobuse sigi mahutta if we club the exam in the NEET to gi ranking wise oina so that kana gumba ama BSc nursing tamge ha NEET paikha do tharaga magi ranking wise on thoka tho do lebri Manipur gi oina according to that paikha am tongana tobdaba we are just thinking adugi pros adugi cons adugi afaba aphataba Manipur gi oina karamba da phani karamba da pharoi mundandi nei nakhini we are just we are just conceiving the idea of that. Kanaguma nursing tamni haina khalu benuda amu MBBS magi as per the ranking wise ado the choice to the basket becomes bigger and he gets a better choice seasonal to butaraga then the transparency duga khoi paikhaje am hangana sum tawdu sorpujo NEET ki exam do the loina club tawragadi it will I think it will be beneficial for the people.